We live in an extraordinary age, an age of information. Data flows around us like an invisible river, shaping our world in profound ways. From the mundane to the magnificent, data drives our decisions, fuels our innovations, and unveils the secrets of the cosmos. To navigate this data-driven world, we need a new kind of literacy data analysis. Data analysis is the art of making sense of this vast sea of information. It's about transforming raw numbers into actionable insights, uncovering hidden patterns and telling compelling stories with data. Just as astronomers use telescopes to peer into the depths of space, data analysts use powerful tools and techniques to explore the hidden dimensions of data. This journey of data exploration is not just for mathematicians and statisticians, it's for anyone curious about the world around them, anyone who wants to understand the forces shaping our lives. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or simply a curious citizen, data analysis empowers you to ask better questions and find meaningful answers. Decoding the data universe. Essential skills for success. To embark on your data analysis journey, you'll need a few essential skills. First, a firm grasp of statistical analysis is crucial. Statistics provides the language for describing data, identifying trends, and testing hypotheses. It's the foundation upon which we build our data-driven understanding. Next, data visualization plays a vital role in communicating insights effectively. Humans are visual creatures, and a well-crafted chart or graph can convey complex information more powerfully than words alone. Data visualization transforms data from abstract numbers into tangible stories. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, critical thinking is the compass that guides every data analyst. It's about asking the right questions, challenging assumptions, and interpreting data with a discerning eye. Critical thinking helps us separate signal from noise, ensuring that our conclusions are sound and our insights meaningful. Unlocking the power of data essential tools for analysis. Just as astronomers rely on telescopes to observe the cosmos, data analysts have a toolkit of powerful technologies at their disposal. Among the most essential are programming languages like Python, R, and SQL. These languages provide the means to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data with precision and efficiency. Python, with its clear syntax and vast libraries, has become a go-to language for data analysis. Its versatility allows analysts to perform a wide range of tasks, from cleaning and preparing data to building sophisticated machine learning models. R, renowned for its statistical computing capabilities, excels in data exploration and visualization. Its rich ecosystem of packages provides specialized tools for everything from time series analysis to bioinformatics. SQL, the language of databases, is indispensable for querying and extracting data from relational databases. Whether you're working with customer data, financial records, or scientific observations, SQL provides the keys to unlock valuable insights. Mastering these tools empowers you to delve into the heart of data, uncovering hidden patterns and extracting meaningful insights. With practice and perseverance, you'll gain fluency in the language of data, unlocking a world of possibilities. Charting your course tips for aspiring data analysts. For those just starting their data analysis journey, the path ahead may seem daunting. But fear not, for every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start small, embrace curiosity, and never stop learning. Begin by immersing yourself in the world of data. Explore online resources, take free courses, and join data analysis communities. The more you learn, the more you'll realize how much more there is to discover. Practice your skills by working on real-world projects. Find data sets that pique your interest and start exploring. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. Remember, the journey of data analysis is as much about the process as it is about the destination. Finally, cultivate a growth mindset. Data analysis is a constantly evolving field, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. Embrace this ever-changing landscape as an opportunity for continuous learning and growth. As you embark on your data analysis adventure, remember that you're not alone. A vibrant community of data enthusiasts, experts, and mentors awaits, eager to share their knowledge and support your journey. So dive in, explore, and let the power of data illuminate your path to discovery.